Hi everybody, it's Claire back with another art journal video. So I'm just doing a single page spread in the Kraft journal, and I have added a thin layer of gesso, it looks like, clear gesso to this page before I've started. So I'm using sage and sand on this page to start off with, and just sweeping some of that colour onto the page to begin with, using one of Dina's nice wide brushes. So once that was dry, I'm then sticking some of Dina's ledger papers onto the page as well, using a glue stick to stick those in place. And that's really annoying me, that top one on the left is a little bit wonky. Now I'm looking at it, oh, how did I not notice that? Never mind, it doesn't matter. Okay, so that's adding to the layers on this page already. And then I am using some, that looks like syrup, I think, again, just to blend those edges where the ledger paper has met with the paint, so it kind of looks like it's a bit more part of the page. So this is the connected dot stencil, and I'm using the sand paint through this, using a sponge to just apply that through. Okay, so this is one of Dina's chipboard botanical elements, and I am adding some white paint onto this. Just used a makeup sponge to apply that. And then I'm using the Tim Holtz tiny attacher to just stick that in place. This is the best way to stick these chipboard elements in the journal. This really is a quick and simple page, just playing with these monochrome colours that work really nicely together. And then I'm drawing lines on the page just so that I can journal my text onto there and my quote. And I'm using capital letters and making them touch the top and bottom of the lines. It's a really quick and easy way to get writing on your page. Now there's an interesting one. Use what you have. Apart from if it's art supplies, obviously you always need more art supplies. So yeah, I don't agree with that middle bit when it comes to art supplies. Okay, so giving that a quick dry. I've also gone in and added some more thickness to some of the letters as well, just to make those stand out a bit more. And then I'm just adding some dots as well. So that brings the black into the page, so it marries up with the writing that I've just done. And mixing up some of the dots too. So I'm using some of the monochrome colours that are in the background, just trying to pull it all together so that the page works as a whole. So a really, really quick and simple page, just using paint, the collage paper, which was the ledger papers, and one stencil, I think it was one stencil, and the chipboard element and a bit of writing. It's so quick and easy. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's a super quick one. So thanks very much for watching. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I hope to see you again soon.